The very first step when it comes to starting your YouTube channel is actually knowing your why. And this is the deeper reason or the reason why you are actually interested in starting and growing your YouTube channel and turning it into an income generating asset. And this is the first step of this Start a YouTube channel series. Knowing your why is actually something that you need to spend time thinking about and having clarity when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. And there are very many reasons why this is important, because having a clear why or having a mission as to why you are establishing your YouTube channel is going to inform a lot of actions and a lot of decisions that you're going to make as you embark on this journey of building your YouTube channel. And some of the reasons why you might actually consider starting a YouTube channel might be personal as well as business or commercial. And all this needs to be founded on your why. For example, you might actually think that you want to start a YouTube channel because you want to help people, you want to change the world, or you want to actually make money. And all these are very good reasons. And as you can see, those reasons are not clear, and some might even argue that they mean nothing. Because when you think about it, what exactly does it mean when you say that you want to help people? How are you going to do that? When you say that you want to change the world, what exactly does that mean? And even when you say you want to make money, that alone cannot be the only reason why you are starting a YouTube channel. So you might need to actually spend time to think about this. You want to really focus on having a strong foundation when you're starting your YouTube channel, because this is going to be one of the most important steps when it comes to starting, growing, and actually monetizing your YouTube channel. Having a strong why, having a strong reason is the one thing that you must get right. Now, I'm not saying this so that you can then use it as an excuse of not starting your YouTube channel. Starting and probably setting up a YouTube channel is a pretty straightforward process. That one will take you probably 10, 20, at most an hour. But while that is critical and that's a step that you're going to undertake somewhere down the line, this step involves knowing the mission or the stronger desire of why you are starting your YouTube channel. From my own experience, having a strong why is actually going to keep you going when things are actually tough. Because when you start creating video content and publishing them on YouTube, things might not work as you have imagined or as you may want them to work. There are days when you are not going to feel motivated to actually create content. There are times when growth will actually seem very slow. And there are also periods when you are going to struggle when it comes to continuing with the journey of building your YouTube channel. When that time comes, because it will come, like in every other business, there are periods when things are not going to be very good. They are going to be very tough. You are going to need that strong why. That is going to be the fuel, or it is going to be the fuel that powers your engine of creating content on YouTube. As you can see, having a strong why is going to help you avoid such stuff as distractions. You're also going to actually overcome the shiny object syndrome, and you'll also be able to focus and stay consistent when it comes to creating content and building your YouTube channel. Now, there are three things that I want you to take away from this conversation or from this video. The first one is that you need to consider purpose over profit. What this means is that you need to actually have a deeper purpose, a deeper why that is bigger than the amount of money that you want to make. And this is because making money will happen. You are going to monetize your YouTube channel. You are going to build a business behind your YouTube channel. And when you start making money, you are going to realize, or you are going to understand, that money is actually not enough to keep you going. Because when things are low, when you have those moments when things are actually not working, you will need a bigger purpose to keep you aligned with what it is that you are building. The second takeaway from this video is that your why is going to anchor or actually drive your dream. When you are starting your YouTube channel, having a strong why is actually going to be a stark reminder, or to be a constant reminder of why or the dream that you are building. And this is because when you are starting, the dream might be very far away, and the actions that you are taking on a day-to-day basis might not actually seem related to what it is that you want to achieve. And when you have a strong why, you are going to always be reminded of the dream as to why you are building your YouTube channel. The dream that you have may be a long-term dream, something that you come into life maybe within the next 2, 3, 5, or even 10 years. Your strong why is what is going to keep you going, especially when you meet challenges along that path. The third takeaway is that your why is going to align your decision making. And this is important because when you are clear on why you are starting a YouTube channel, every decision that you are going to make, every choice that you make downstream of that particular why is actually going to be aligned with the goal or the ultimate achievement that you want to get. And that's critical because you want to be able to have all your ducks in a row. You want to align your content strategy. You want to align your growth strategy. You also want to align how you are going to monetize or make money with your YouTube business. Those things will not make a lot of sense to you if you do not have a strong why or a strong reason as to why you are building your YouTube channel. So you need to be able to have all these things in place and have that clarity if you want to ensure that everything that you do is aligned with your dream. When starting a YouTube channel, finding your why may not be instant. But the good thing is that once you are clear on your why or the reason why you are starting your YouTube channel, it becomes the guiding force that actually helps you to continue building your YouTube channel one step at a time, one day at a time. And ultimately, you're going to end up with actually a system that can help you to achieve time, location, and financial freedom. And now that you are clear on why you want to start a YouTube channel, the next step on this Start a YouTube Channel series is actually being able to pick your YouTube niche or the topic that you are going to focus on. And that's the next video that you are going to watch in this particular series.